Good evening, everyone. Yes, Aja will review a resume shared with me. Athar also, I will review a resume. Share me on WhatsApp. We'll start in a couple of minutes. Let's waiting for others. It's still 2 minutes to 8:30. Okay, let's wait till then. All right, so it's already 8:30. Let us begin with the resume evaluation. Uh, I will go first with Athar. First, inform if my screen is visible. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Athar, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. Okay. All right. Let's go. See, this is not required. It's very small and it is again looking very tiny. So you can remove this. And then
Okay.
okay. Education skills, projects and training, achievements. certificates, extracurricular. Okay. So you can see there is a difference of font size here and the font size here, right?
Yes, sir.
So correct this one.
Okay, okay, sir.
Make the font size homogeneous throughout,
Sir, I
right?
have selected all and done that for Times New Roman 11, but I don't know why this hasn't changed.
Take it.
I will change it.
This is also not properly aligned, right? This
Yes,
is
sir.
coming ahead, right?
So it looks good in the Word file, and when we make its PDF, it changes the setting.
No, it is not like that. You make the you print to PDF. It will seem similar.
And sir, this CGP is looking good or not? Or shall I remove that?
No, it is fine, but the font size of 8.2 is small compared to the font size of this.
Okay, sir.
You have good percentage, so definitely you should mention and highlight it.
Sir, is this resume okay for the Ninja prime role or have to add more? Because I have done this much only, not
Let,
done more
let,
than.
me, let me go through it first, right? We are on the first heading only.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. Here, you have mentioned everything in the world. Can you face questions on this?
What's up?
You have mentioned all the skill set, right? Java, Python, C++.
This all
So,
languages
huh,
taught in us in this college, that's why.
so you know that you can edit, you can answer questions on C++ and Java and Python also.
Sir, not in the depth, but uh, I can answer the easy one.
But देख लेना because people will ask you questions from here, okay?
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Version of tools. See, this operating system can come in the next line only, right?
Yes.
Why you are creating the next?
Okay.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. Uh, what is the difference between Git and GitHub?
The GitHub is a platform for means GitHub is a site and Git is a version control system. On GitHub we push our code. That is the website we can say. And Git is only the version control system. We can use this using CMD, and for GitHub we directly use it for pushing our code in that.
Hmm. How can you say you have leadership qualities?
Sir, I have been the captain of my team in badminton. That's it.
You play badminton, is it?
Yes, sir. I have mentioned it in
Have
the.
you? Who is the world number one player in badminton?
The Shi Yuki is his name. I am remembering that, but I only play. I don't follow that
Hmm.
fully, but I have knowledge and I can play good. That's why I have added in that.
You can see the formatting error, right? Comma and space, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Here the font size is different. Vishnupuri and SGS IET. Okay. Correct it.
Okay, sir.
Only this one is on GitHub. This two are not uploaded, is it?
No, sir. I haven't uploaded the Python one, but I have uploaded last second and third also. So I will update there also GitHub in the currency converter.
Uh, so you have mentioned projects and training, but I see all of them are projects only, right?
Sir, I have changed it right now because I am going through training in the present. Only 10 days have been passed for the training. That's why I cancelled that. So I
Then
was not
remove heading also.
okay, sir.
Delete this.
Yes.
See, you have to use same bullet points. This arrow is wrong bullet point. If you have used this one, then use this one only.
Okay.
It should be same.
Okay, sir.
And you have wasted a lot of space like this. Can you see this is a lot of waste? And then
Mhm.
you can immediately reduce this space also between this heading and line. Just club it so that you will get space and you can mention this into different pointers, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So when you are 4-star, so there are different stars for different languages. Okay. So you mentioned one after another. Okay.
Yes. So in the unordered list or in the ordered list or like this only.
No, that's okay, but you can mention bullet point and reduce space.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Mm. Again, you can mention this into bullet points. Okay. See, this is achievements only, and this is certificates, and this is extracurricular. Okay. So
Yes.
extracurricular, you can mention one after another. Don't mention hobbies and extracurricular differently. Make it one.
Okay, sir.
What is spiritual club?
Sir, it's a club which gives us information about the Krishna consciousness, and it is basically based on the ISKCON temple. So it's a voice club which tells more about how the Lord Krishna has done things and what he has done in his life. About that,
What?
it was the club, and it
So
is
what?
the international club.
What is your role here?
So I was only a means member of that. I haven't done anything there.
Okay.
This was a part of that.
Mm. See, this is very congested, right? Make it into separate lines.
Sir, but it will go in on the second page. That's why I
No,
have
no, no,
done
no, no,
that.
no. You have wasted so much space. Reduce space here.
Okay, sir.
Reduce space here. Reduce space here. This line is not needed, by the way. So you can remove it, or you can just stick it below the project and trainings.
Okay, okay.
Similarly for skills and for education.
Yes, sir.
Remove this computer science part. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you put plus 91 and then start it, or don't put it 91. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, people will call you and they will copy the number as it is. So it will, show error. Okay. All right. Good. I think it's a good CV. You have done 3 projects and you have good idea about all the programming languages. Also, your academic percentage are good. So you are qualified for Ninja, right?
No, no, sir. Prime.
Prime, no? Hmm. Then be ready to face questions on Python because you have used. It's seen that you have used Python in the uh, projects, right?
Yes, yes. I have been going through the project as well as the pseudocode that they could say to write
This
about
is
that
good.
project.
Hmm. When is your interview?
Sir, I haven't scheduled up till now. Only got the survey link.
Hmm. Many students are asking same thing.
So my whole friends who have given the Nagpur as their location hasn't got the.
Okay, Irshad is here. Irshad wants to share his experience. Irshad, you there?
Yes, sir, I am here, sir.
Superb. Just a moment. So, Athar, I think it is good. Just correct the things which I have told you,
Yes,
and
yes.
then प्राइम के हिसाब से थोड़ा सा हाईलाइट करना जो लैंग्वेज आपको आती है बिकॉज यू हैव मेंशन मेनी लैंग्वेजेस सो यू शुड हाईलाइट some languages,
Okay, sir.
right?
So
Okay,
after making changes again, I have to show you tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
you make changes first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Alright. Irshad, yes, you can come on the camera. Good to see you, Irshad.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I am the person who has started earlier.
So, where are you from, Irshad? Which city?
I am from Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Which place, Andhra Pradesh? In Andhra
Yes, sir.
Pradesh?
Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa district,
Okay. And you have given an interview for which category? Prime, digital, and
prime category.
oh, very good, Irshad. Good, good.
So I recently chat with you. So you told me that can you give your experience yesterday or day after yesterday? I think so. I said you that I am busy in festival. That's why I
Ah,
didn't.
right, right, right.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect, perfect. Thank you so much, Irshad. Now I remember you. Very good.
Yes.
So, tell us from starting what happened and what were questions asked to you, so you can share.
Yes, sir, sure. I will make this experience as short because I have some work. So within 10 to 8 minutes, I will complete it. So first of all, I got selected for a prime interview. So my interview was scheduled at June 6th. My reporting time is 9 a.m. So I went there and I we got allotted some different sections for different candidates, like prime for different and digital for different and ninja for different. So my panel number is second. So everyone from one panel to 14th panel, I think everyone was prime candidates. So
It
after
is like that
around
because panels of uh, Prime are also different. No, not every panel can take interview for Prime. So panels are
yes,
also different. Yes.
yes, sir. So I waited for 1.5 or 2 hours, sir. So my interview was around 11:30 to 12.
Okay.
So I got called, and first of all, uh, they just greet me, "Hi, Ishad," and they just ask my name. So, what is your name? Where you come from? I said, I am come from Andhra Pradesh, Kadapa, and they just briefly ask like, do you have breakfast or not? And uh, family background, and they said, what is your college name? I said, my college name is KSRM College of Engineering. And they asked me, tell me the full form of KSRM. Just a similar kind of conversation between manager and student.
Normal discussion. So
A normal discussion. Yes.
this is done to make candidate comfortable.
Yes.
This kind of discussion only happens before lunch, because after lunch they are in hurry. So only before lunch interviews are like that. Anyway,
Yes, sir.
continue.
They asked me like that, and after that, I told them my KSRM means the full form of KSRM, and they said, from how many years KSRM was there, like that. They asked me question. So I said around 40 years our college was there. Okay, they said. After that, they saw my resume, and they checked that. So I have done diploma in civil engineering, and I converted from civil engineering to CSC in BTech.
Hmm.
So they saw that and they asked me what is the reason behind that, and I said that so I have interested in civil engineering. Sorry, CSC. That's why I have shifted
This is
from.
very common. If you come from a different background, people will
Yes.
definitely try to understand why you have changed your course stream.
Mm. This is the main problem in my interview also, sir. I will share you later.
Hmm.
So they asked me about that, and I said the answer. Then I have done internship also. So for web development, they asked me related to internship question. So I said that I have done a internship at so and so company. So there I have developed a single page website. So I think they didn't like that I have developed a single page website. So they shifted to my major project. I have done project on the desktop application on Java and MySQL. So they tell that explain your project, and I explain my project. After that, while I am explaining my project about Java something, that uh, technical interviewer take the handle. Then he asked me about Java and my project. Like so, is your project desktop application? Yes, sir. I have said yes, sir. Then how can I use your application in my system? He said, like if I download your application, like file or folder, then which technologies or what things are required for my system or my desktop to install your application? He said. Then I said, so JDK, JRE, these things are really important, sir, because Java is there. And I said MySQL is important. We have to download MySQL software.
So MySQL again is a very common a topic which is asked in the interview. We have uploaded two videos on SQL questions on our YouTube channel. You can refer that, and that covers all the common questions. Yeah, Ishad, go ahead.
Yes, sir. And after that, I said jar file to establish
Mm,
connection between Java and SQL, JDBC.
mm,
So I told them like that. They asked me the definition of JRE, JDK, JVM about
mm,
Java and oops concept, four oops concepts. I have explaining them. Then in the middle only they stopped that and they asked me about linked list.
mm.
You know about linked list? Do you know about collections? Can you explain them? And after that, they give me a small program on linked list. Not a program. They give me, the technical HR said, "Do you know about the linked list?" I said, "Yes, sir." Do you know the operations which linked list perform? I said, "Yes, sir." So how the exactly operation linked list perform? I was little bit confusion because I didn't understand properly question. Then I said, linked list in Java, linked list use W linked list, sir, actually. So I said them. They didn't understand that firstly. Then I said, then they said, if he's know or not about linked list, they asked again, do you know linked list or not? I said, yes, sir, I know linked list. Then I from starting from the scratch, I will explain them like definition of linked list and what is the purpose. And in
Linked list is
Java,
another
Java
important
itself,
topic.
Java.
Yeah. So linked list is another important topic which is asked. Again, all the common topics
Uh,
like roots concept,
yes, sir.
basic MySQL, and then question related to linked list are every time asked. So please, all of you, revise them. Yeah, Ishad, continue. So you explain them linked list in detail,
Yeah.
right, from scratch, correct?
In theory purpose, I explained them really well, but in practical, they said, uh, write the program, write the implementation of linked list. So I have implemented it. They said, in which package linked list is present? I said, util package. Then after that, they are in middle. They are asking me again and again, are you sure? Are you sure about that? Like that. So I said, yes, sir, I am sure, sir. You can also check that. Like that, I said.
So
They are
they try
checking
to
me, you are
check your
confident or not
confidence.
on you.
They try to check your confidence, and whenever you think you are right, say yes, you are confident. And then if you are not sure about something, then you should say, "Sir, to the best of my knowledge, I think it is true." Right? Don't say that you don't.
Yeah.
You are I don't you are not sure. Say, to the best of my knowledge, it is correct. Okay? Yeah. Go ahead. Then what happened after
Yes, sir.
Nicholas?
Then they said implement the linked list, show me syntax. Then I show them syntax. Then after that they said uh, uh, add a function like a proper function in a Java to add the elements in linked list. Like in linked list we have built-in methods like add, pop, or remove to remove the elements, to add the elements, add first, add last, to add the element at first, to add the element at last. So these are the operations in or functions in linked list. They said you have to create your own method of functions. Like the add inbuilt function is there, no sir. So they said me to create your own way. So first of all, I didn't understand the question. So I thought that I have to add the elements, then I have to remove the elements. Like that, I have created the program. Then he saw that I didn't tell you like that. I tell you, you have to you have to create a separate function of the add and delete. Then I said, sorry, sir, I didn't understand properly. It's okay. That he said it's okay. Then he asked me oops
So
related
you
question.
again wrote it correctly, or he, that did he
No, sir,
interrupt?
he didn't give me the chance to write.
Achha, okay, all right,
Uh, he take the sheet and okay, it's okay. He said it's okay.
okay. Then what happened?
Then he asked me two or three questions. I didn't remember. Then after that, he tell to manager, like you take him. Then he asked me about something about family background. Then civil engineering to diploma. Why you have shifted? Then
What you
he
said?
he asked me
What you said?
like he
What you
asked
said?
me. Do you see the building right side? There are different blocks are there in the Mohan Babu College. I have gone to the interview. So there is in the right hand side there is a building. Uh, he showed me the building and he said, Aris, you are from civil engineering background, right? So can you tell me that by seeing the building, how the engineer have structured it, how the soil is tested, how the building is constructed? He is asking me about civil engineering background. Then I said, oh my god, what he is asking me?
See, it happened to me also. I did mechanical engineering, then I did MBA. So my interview happened for MBA HR role. I was HR. So my panel was HR also, and he was engineer also. So he
Okay.
asked me all questions from my engineering. And back of the mind, I was thinking, you asked me from MBA HR. Now why are you asking questions from my
Yes,
mechanical
sir.
engineering? And I tell you, they show no mercy, and they have asked me all questions for the from the God grace. I remember my answers, so I could fight it off. Otherwise, so it is difficult. So you could answer
Yes,
them.
sir.
You could answer them.
I tried my best, sir. I think I thought that I don't know, and the interviewer also don't know about it. Let's say anything like that. I have covered little bit.
uh,
Then after that, I can't able to, because the civil technical words I didn't able to remember it properly. So after that, I said, sir, this is that's it, sir. I can't able to more tell about it. Then he said, okay, I think you are not able to tell because you are seeing the building from outside. Let's say this is we have staying in this building, right? Tell me about this building. You are seeing inside. You're seeing inside also. Like he's really
no, these
again.
are guys. These are MR questions. These are analytical skills question. It has nothing to do with what you have studied. It is something which you have to use your presence of mind and answer that. So
Yes,
this is something which you cannot prepare. This is an art which comes with problem solving mindset. Yeah. So what you said, Irshad, then?
I didn't able to handle it because then I said, sir, I read these all things in the past in my civil, sir, so I can't able to remember it. So I said, just politely, I said, sorry, sir, like that.
Acha. That's okay because anyway you left that field. So,
Hmm.
but I'm telling you, MR panel will ask questions apart from technical. So,
Now I got experience, sir. That's why I will definitely in next interviews. I will definitely focus on civil also next time.
use ChatGPT and at least get some questions from civil. And then also very important that you mention some extracurricular so that panels have some area to ask you questions. You
Yes,
cannot just mention technical things. If you mention only technical things, then you can satisfy technical panels, but MR panel will still, trouble you with asking questions from here and there. So if you mention extracurricular and your achievements also, you are in a good position to clear MR and HR as well. Okay, then what happened? Then what did they ask, Rishad?
I think the interview is over, sir. After that, he asked me about family and about college. Simple questions, two or three. I can't remember it. Then after that, he said, "Okay, Rishad," like that.
No HR round separately or
Yeah, HR was there. HR one was there. After 2 hours, I have waited for 2 hours again. Then after that, HR one was there.
what?
HR one, simple HR one. He asked me about this. In HR one, he asked me about introduction. Then I said introduction. After that, again he asked me about tell me about your college and what is the full form of your college. Then again I said our college is that this. Then after that he asked me about again why he shifted from civil to CSC. Then I again tell him, and he asked me about have you done technical round really good or not, like that. Yes, sir, I have done my best, sir. He said, out of how many questions you have answered? I said, out of 10, I have 6 to 7, 6 I have answered, sir. He said, you have answered only 50% of questions. And again, you are telling me that you have did really well. Then I said, sir, they asked me about civil background, so I didn't answer. My technical stuff, I have answered really well, sir. Like that, I
Very
said, okay. So then he said, "Oh, why he answer you about civil?" Then I said, "Sir, I have shifted from civil to computer science. That's why they asked me about civil, sir." Okay, good. Why you have shift? Then I said, I got interested in computer science. That's why I have shifted from, because computer science is a dynamic way of, because it will go rapidly, because nowadays computer science is growing rapidly. That's why I have chosen this, sir.
it
Then
has more
after
money.
that,
This is
yes,
directly
sir.
say Yeah, you should have directly said it is more money than civil.
I said about family background. He asked me. Then just he said, "Show me your documents." After that, those he check Aadhaar card like that, photos, all the stuff. Then after that, he said, "Do you have any questions?" Then I asked me what trainings and programs are provided by TCS for freshers, and he said everything. And he said, "Bond. Do you know about bond? 1 year bond?" And I don't know, sir. I said, "I will tell you." Like he said me. Then after that, do you know the background verifications? I know, sir, but clearly I don't know about it. Like that, again he will explain everything about background verification, everything. Then after that, he said, "Are you able to relocate like that?" Then yes, sir, I am flexible. I will relocate anywhere. Then after that, we have mentioned in the declaration form like you have to shift, you have to relocate everywhere. If you tell no, I don't relocate, then you will be not accepted like that. He said. Then
Correct.
after that, that
In HR, always say yes, yes, yes.
mm,
Location, anything is fine. Shift, anything is fine. Role, anything is fine. Because if you the moment you say no, they will not select you.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So I think Irshad, your overall interview went really well. I must say there are good chances that you will get prime offer. If not prime, then definitely digital.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. I am expecting like that only, sir. If not digital, also I am expecting Ninja also, sir,
No, 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 no. It's absolutely digital and above you will get.
because I got demotivated in the civil only, sir. Because I can't able to properly answer like that. I inside I feel like if I know the answer, I will perform really well like that. I have thinking.
It happens. See, another good thing is that they, also check the attitude. You
Ah,
seem you seems to have a positive attitude that you are smiling while answering. So
yes, sir.
positive
I
attitude.
have smile everywhere, sir.
Ah,
Literally.
that is the best part. More than knowledge, attitude is important. So
Hmm.
if you can smile while answering, if you can smile when you don't know the answer, it's the biggest thing. And then such things, actually impresses the other people.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I in HR on literally, sir. I and HR like talk like a friend and
Uh,
friends. Every every single moment I enjoyed in HR, sir. And in the end, he said, "Okay, good to talk to you." And he said, "Thank you and good luck for you." Like that, he said.
HR was lady or male?
No, sir. He's something like his age was around 55, and
She
he's
was, so he
male.
was,
Male.
so male HRs are good, like me.
And
Cool.
same, my friends also told me like that only. Male HRs are really good. Female, if you got female, then you know that he said.
So basically,
Mm.
very few male go for HR. It is mostly taken by females. But whosoever takes it, are very chill guy.
Yes,
They
sir.
enjoy the discussion. Okay, live and let live.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So very good, Irshad. I think your interview was really good. I think you can expect at least digital offer, if not prime. So thank you so much for coming up and sharing your experience. I am very sure that this has helped a lot of people in the call. Is anybody has any question for Ishad, or he can leave because he has to go?
Sir, I have question, sir. I didn't ask them, but when can I expect the results, sir?
Results will come only after all the interview happened at all the locations. So
I hear
how
that I hear that recently again they are releasing admit cards for the one who didn't write exams.
I have not come across this news, but result is not like your result. It is about the complete drive result. So firstly, all the interviews will happen, then the data will go, and then the merit will be made, and then they will see how many candidates they want and how many selections they have, and then accordingly they will release the result. So I believe that it will come not. It is not coming before June end, so you have to wait till that because many students as of now has not even got their date of interview.
Oh,
So you can imagine that the interview is there are more than 1 lakh interviews they have to take for NQT, more than 1 lakh, right? So
around India.
you can imagine the number of interviews to be done. I believe this will come in June end or July first week. It will take time. for sure. Okay.
So anyone have any questions for me?
Anyone want to ask anything to Irshad, or he can drop? Kiran was asking, can you share your resume? Already he has spoken a lot, so what
My
else?
resume is really simple, sir. I have skills like Java, SQL, HTML, CSS. That's it. I didn't mention any over skills like I have no that one. I had one.
No,
Simple. I have.
better. Otherwise, they would have asked you question from there.
Yes, I know that. That's why I didn't mention.
No, good. It is better to play safe than to
I
impress
have
others.
mentioned two projects. One is major, one is a mini project. That's it.
Good. So people are thanking you. Guys, please clap for Irshad for coming up and sharing his experience.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. So thanks, Irshad. You can drop off. You have to leave. I will continue with some resume review and then we'll conclude.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
All right. Thank you. So, I see there are some questions in the chat box. Some uh, uh, Tanya is asking, Tanya, she haven't got the mail for the interview. Please wait. You will get mail soon. Don't worry. There will be no one whose interview is not done. So, ऐसा तो नहीं होगा. Okay. Yeah. Abhishek, you have a question. You are raising your hand. बताओ. What you want to ask? Abhishek, you have question or you are just raising your hand by mistake? Unmute and ask. Okay. I think it's by mistake. So I am just sharing Raja's resume. Raja, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Superb. So you have made it as per the format which I shared, right?
Actually, sir, I have made it last year.
Last year you made it in the same format, is it?
Yes, sir.
Good. First person to have a Twitter ID. Are you active on Twitter?
Yes, sir. I used to share my coding journey progress on Twitter.
Very nice. Very good. So Twitter is now X. Okay. So please correct it.
Okay.
Okay. This is good name, and see, this is the right way to mention, guys, all your details. Name on the top in bigger font, and then your then the rest of the details. Education, I will appreciate if you can also mention your 10th and 12th, since it is a part of your eligibility criteria. So if you can find some space, you have some space below, right?
Yes.
You can, correct?
Okay.
Okay.
Actually, sir, I have heard like some people say that if you have done your bachelor's, then there's no need to mention your 10th or
No,
12th.
it is for experience hiring.
Okay.
Experience hiring, bachelor is enough, and then freshers hiring 10, 12 is matters because that's a part of eligibility.
Okay.
So this all these are internship, right?
No, sir. The second one is freelance work, and the rest of them are internship.
Then you should write freelance work. Okay, all right then. ठीक है. Hmm. The time period of this is missing. So
Actually, sir, there was not a specific amount of time period.
you were
So
given the task and you can finish that, right?
yes, I finished it. So
Makes sense. Yeah. Now this is good. So all your projects are on GitHub. Yeah, here
yes.
it is. Remembered. Hmm. Okay. So whatever you have highlighted, you will get questions from here. Ready
Okay.
to face it? Ready
Yes,
to
sir.
face questions on Node.js?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah, actually, sir, I wanted to ask, I've primarily focused on front-end development, and like this project you have currently highlighted, it's my group project, and the backend was built by my friend. So
You
to
can
but to
mention that. You can
okay,
mention that.
so I can mention it in my resume.
Yeah, no, you can mention while answering.
Okay.
See, it was a team project and my role was in the front end. That's okay.
So should I write about this like a
No,
Node.js
that's
and
okay. That's
Express?
okay. No, so you know this or not?
I know this, but like if they go in depth, then I might.
Then
for
don't highlight it at least, please. You have
okay.
highlighted it, okay?
Okay.
You can tell the difference between Node.js and others, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm. Okay. You have anyway written front-end mastery, so but you have written back-end brilliance.
Yes, sir. Actually, I asked ChatGPT to
No, no,
do some changes,
no, no,
and
no, no, no. Don't
I was planning to remove it.
yeah,
Uh,
remove it. Remove both the things because you are not confident about backend. So better you just mention bullet points like this.
okay.
Okay.
Yes,
So what is the score of your resume? ATS score.
sir. Last time I checked, it was around 82. And
Why it is not 100?
sir, I believe, I believe there's room for improvement. Like, I haven't mentioned the percentages and like how much progress I've made.
Is this project there on your web? So you have used already Gemini API to check, right?
Yes, sir.
So basically, you have already used the Gemini process to check, right? So
Yes, sir.
you
Actually, what it does is I have given a template to the Gemini API,
hmm.
and when someone uploads their resume to the website,
So it
then
Gemini
it
then
converts to the template given template.
I get it. Then Gemini test it and give it a score, right?
Yes,
Hmm. Okay. ठीक है. So again, you will have questions from Java, right?
yes, sir.
And then React as well. React. So this is the Node.js or Next.js?
So Next.js.
Next.js. Here you mentioned Node.js.
Node.js is a server
Uh,
backend, and Next.js is is a framework of React that combines front end and backend together in one place.
so as long as you can explain everything, it is fine.
Yes.
You can mention some achievements below.
Sir, actually, while making the resume, it was going beyond 2 pages.
No, there I can see spaces here.
Uh,
Make zero margins. Make margin zero, and you
okay,
don't have to mention like this participation. You make it extracurricular firstly instead of participation.
okay,
Write
extracurricular.
extracurricular, and
Oh,
then just write bullet point. Don't bifurcate like this. So
okay, okay.
so when you will mention like this now, so you will get some space. So you
Got
can
it, sir.
mention achievement and you can also mention your 10th and 12th. Okay.
Got it, sir.
Okay. So one thing I tell you why you have a resume, your resume have less ATS score. You know why?
Uh,
Because ATS is not able to read this kind of icons.
okay.
That is one thing. Secondly, if you remove these lines, can you see these lines?
Yes, sir.
Your score will improve.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just try that. I'm sure it will improve.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. You are a prime candidate, Raja.
Yes, sir.
It is very good CV, very deserving. Okay.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
Yeah. So when is your interview date is not planned, right?
Yes, sir. It is not planned, but in Lucknow, they have given the information to Ninja candidates that the interview will be on 13th.
So prime candidates panels are different, so it might be on a different date for sure.
Yes, actually, sir, I am also not well. Like I was admitted in the hospital last week, so I haven't prepared really well. So,
So it's not
do
the
you
interview.
think should I tell to the interview that I was not well?
No, not. See, you are sounding well. You are sounding confident,
Yes,
and
sir.
it is very less about preparation when you have done a lot. Okay, only those people require preparation who have not done many things. When you have done things, then you have a lot of you know uh, content to speak, right?
Yes, sir. I'm just worried. Like maybe I get something that is like I might slip and
So,
maybe out of box.
no, so that possibility is with everyone. Even you
Yes,
prepare also, then also that possibility will be there, isn't it?
yes,
And then a good interview is always 60-70%. You cannot answer all the questions for sure.
Okay.
Okay. See, I cannot say anything about Gen AI, machine learning in your resume, but as a prime candidate, you should definitely read about it.
Okay.
Okay, so please go through the concepts of Gen AI and our Gen AI and ML, machine learning. Okay, so latest technologies you should be knowing.
Okay.
Only Gemini was one thing which was there. Okay,
Yes.
which was the Gen AI tool. Otherwise, nothing.
So there was also OpenAI API that uses ChatGPT.
No, so you read about it. How does Gen AI work? How does machine learning works?
Okay. Okay.
So, okay, Purvi is asking, sir, uh, one of my friend recently attended an interview and during the organization process of the official informed that the results would be declared after approximately 2 months. Furthermore, if selected, a joining letter would be issued an additional 6 months. No, this is not right. It depends always on the business requirement, and results will come soon. Don't worry. In July, the results will come. They will not hold it for very long. See, nobody has an answer to this honestly. Okay, so and they are doing off campus because they have requirement. If they don't have the requirement, then they would not have done the off campus hiring, right? Okay, I have not mentioned in Zoom ML, CCA, but what question? So you should know, Divyanshu, what is AI, what is Gen AI, difference between them, what is machine learning, on what principle machine learning works, what are the different tools of AI, Gen AI, difference between them, what is prompt engineering, neural networks, this kind of questions you should know. Explain your project. So whenever somebody asks you explain your project, don't just jump on the solution. Always first and explain them what is the problem. You have to tell them the problem statement. That, sir, we see that there is our college doesn't have a library management system, and then we thought to make a library management system. So we made a library management system in which we are a team of 5 people. I have worked on the front end. My two friends have worked on the back end. And this way we design the learning management system. We have used this technology, that technology. So I see many students directly jump on the solution, which is not the right way to explain a project. You have to give the problem statement first, that why did you choose it? What was the reason behind it? And what is your solution to solve that problem? And when you do that, it really becomes a good project to understand. Directly people say, sir, I have used Java to make this project. But what was the problem statement? First tell me what was the problem. Through a project, you are trying to solve a problem. Okay, so always remember that. If you do this, MR panel will be very happy with you. Okay, so I think I have answered all the questions. We have seen 2 resumes today because Raja and another Akhilesh has joined on time. So tomorrow, if you join on time, anybody who will join on time, I will review his resume. Divyanshu, kal karte hain. I hope your interview is not announced yet. Okay, so please join on time tomorrow. I will review your resume. Okay, so we are concluding the call. Can you resume for prime interview? Yeah, tomorrow join on time. We will definitely review. Those who will join on time, I will review the resume. Okay, guys. Keep preparing hard. Let's connect tomorrow then.